Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. After a long time, I have came in front of camera. Today, I will share you about myself. Then I am starting. I am Tamim Sheikh. I am 14 plus. There are 6 members in my family with I. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I am tall and dark skin colored. I study in class 8 at Nimtala High School, MST. I have many friends. They are very funny. In many times they help me in my study and I also love them very much. My hobby is playing, reading. I love to play. I love to listening the Islamic songs and I love to recite the Holy Quran. I can use computer. In my free time, I would like to draw pictures. Besides that, I early get up in the morning and go to bed early at night. Besides my study, I am preparing a new skill that is spoken English. I think that if I learn English well, then I can reach the higher position in future. I esteem to all my school teachers and my spoken trainer, Maulana Rahibul Islam. They help us to learn. I will be forever grateful to them. That is all about me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.